We are up close and personal here. Okay. Oh wait, now you can just see like messy room. It's really not that messy. The bed's just not made. Feels like I'm gonna go to sleep. What's up, guys? So it is the night before the first day of junior year. Yes, I'm wearing my pajamas. This is actually like one of my best friends, I think, boyfriend shirt. Don't ask questions. It was just I was at our house and I needed a shirt and she gave me this one. So, you know, boy shirts are always more comfortable. And just some pajama pants. So we're gonna do a get ready with me for the first day. I thought I would do it with you guys. So the first thing I have to do is I took my shower and blow dried my hair. Why does it keep like refocusing? So I'm just gonna curl it. It keeps refocusing. Like, find my face. Wait, no, not gonna work. So now it's finally working. I know I have no makeup on, I'm just looking kind of trashy. But I wanted to curl my hair a little bit tonight. So that's part of getting ready. So that's why like it's the night before. But we're gonna get ready together tomorrow morning, for sure. But yeah, I already have my outfit picked out. So when I wake up, I can just, you know, throw it on. That may or may not be like my bra hanging next to it. But yeah. So we're in the bathroom and I'm gonna get my curler out. I use the Numi 2-inch wand. It's the best one around. Common expression is tea. Because he's got school tomorrow. It's like 11 o'clock. Alright, the hair is officially all done. I just did loose curls. So I'm gonna sleep on it so it'll, you know, it'll look good in the morning. Now I think we should like pack my lunch or something. So we got my lunchbox right here. We're in the kitchen and packing it up. Now we gotta pack this lunch up. Okay, we got the goods. We got a lot of cereals. I'm gonna do some Cheez-Its, some Chips Ahoy, some chips, and we're gonna need a fruit. Maybe like some strawberries. Oh my god, my favorite drink is here. Let's pack it all up. We have an amazing lunch for tomorrow. We got some Cheez-Its, some yogurt raisins, a piece of mint chocolate, some cookies, some grapes, some bread with butter. I feel like Ava Jules, because she loves bread, but I love bread too, so I got that with a little knife. And then we got some Parmesan cheese, because I saw some pasta in the fridge, so I'm just like, I just put some butter on it, and then I got the cheese. So it's gonna be a perfect lunch, you know? Now I need to like go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning, but yeah, see you guys at 5:45 a.m. Good morning, chicas, or everyone. I don't know how I can say that, but it is currently 5:52 in the morning, and I'm extremely tired. I need to get ready. Let's get out of this bed. And I think I should start by getting my outfit on. I have school. I'm gonna make my bed. Bed is pretty much all made. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get my outfit on. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'll show you guys like a full outfit. This is the romper. It has this embroidery up here on the sleeves, on the little band, and then the shorts have embroidery all over it. I think this is such a pretty romper. I'm so incredibly tired right now. I can close my eyes and go to sleep. Sorry if I'm talking a little loopy. We gotta start doing this makeup now. Alright guys, you guys are pretty special. I just put a filming up for you. Let's do this thing. I get my necklace on. I think I'm wearing my Pisces one. Alright, and then I think I'm gonna wear these earrings right here. They're these little hoops. I think they're really pretty and cute. Perfect words for it, right? These earrings are like super cute. Earrings are in. Now I think we should start this makeup. And of course, we will fix the hair after we do the makeup. But I'm just gonna start with my little MAC powder here. I'm not going super full out for today's makeup, but just something simple, easy, and high school ready. Alright, done with foundation powder. Then I'm just gonna do a little bit of contour to warm up the face, the Lorac Pro palette. Alright, I don't know how much I'm going to do with these brows, but I think I'm just going to comb them. So now I'm going to do some eyeshadow, and of course we're using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe because I swear by this palette, it's the best. Of course, we're going to start by doing some eyeshadow primer. Oh, that's a mascara, Claudia, come on. It's way too early for this, guys. We're going to start by putting the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion on the eyelids, just like so. Oh my god, why is my stomach kind of hurting, guys? It's the first day of junior year. My stomach shouldn't be hurting because I'm not really nervous at all. I mean, it's just like school. Alright, now I need to just pat this dry a little bit. It gets a little sticky sometimes. Alright, and now I'm just going to do a pretty natural look with this palette. If you want me to do like a full tutorial with it, I will. But I'm just going to kind of go ahead and do my thing. I really don't have too much time to like explain everything in depth because like we have to get ready here. I need time to eat my breakfast. And this is kind of like the eyeshadow look. We're done with this. And now we're gonna put on some eyeliner here. Yeah, I'm gonna get some eyeliner on. This is like really hard to put on camera. I know that's like what all the YouTubers say, right? Eyeliner is done and now let's curl the lashes. I think I should just use my little Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara because I love this one, even though its sample size is like one of my favorite mascaras. I'm going to apply this all over the lashes. And the eyes are completed. Now we're actually going to put lippy on. This is just the NYX gloss in the color Natural. Actually, why am I putting this on if I'm about to brush my teeth and eat? I don't know. I'm really corny. Alright, so this makeup is pretty much done now. Let's go, like, you know, just do a few pieces of the hair curled and then eat some breakfast because I'm kind of hungry. So I actually don't think the hair looks too bad how it is, but I'll probably just do a few pieces to touch it up. Just like a few pieces. And I just really want to get through this day as fast as I can. I think like we're pretty much ready with the hair, makeup, and outfit. Now I'm just gonna like go eat some breakfast and, you know, get that situated. Dominic, say hi. Hi. I should probably make some toast. I'm gonna make some jelly toast.
Look how pretty it is.
Doing a get ready with me. It's okay. I'm like struggling here. I like jelly. I think jelly on toast is real good. Yeah, but I'm not a humongous PB and jelly fan. So now we're gonna go take some pictures like usual. It's actually early to pick up. So we're gonna switch you guys over to the vlog camera because I'm driving now to pick up a few people and then we're gonna go to school, so yeah. So that's what we're doing, people. I'm not really supposed to be doing this right now, but I am. This is the steering wheel. I know, so cool. And there's my book bag. I should probably talk to you guys after I'm done driving because I can't really drive and talk. Alright guys, it's the first day of school. Welcome back. Hey. I do a vlog every single year on the first day of school. Oh wait, what? Why is this all blurry? Julia loves being in the vlogs, I just remember that. First day of school, I hope everyone's Brooke has never had lunch with me, I don't think.
No, I never am, but I am.
Naya has lunch with me. Oh. Look, there's nails though. Oh, and Aiden, she's new to our school.
Wait, how's your nail?
Alyssa, we've always had lunch together.
There's Izzy. You're on vlog. Your hair looks good.
We have early dismissal And I'll show you guys my locker real quick. So this is the locker. I still have to put my shelf up though. It's not fully done, but I'm leaving school now. All right, guys, so it is about 6:05. It is the night, or it's later in the day from the first day of junior year, which it was, and it's a pretty good day. I mean, you know, it's nothing special because, like, I've already been to high school 2, like, years already, but I feel so happy that I got this Get Ready With Me done. I have it all edited up to this point because I had, like, no homework today, so I think it would be cool if I get it up tonight, which is, like, the actual day of my first day, so I think that'd be kind of cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took some effort. It really did. But more back to school videos are coming soon. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel for more back to school videos and more videos in general. And of course, make sure you guys check out my social media accounts at ClaudiaCasey972. And if you're not yet subscribed to my vlog channel, make sure you guys go do so at ClaudVlogs972. All right, guys, I love you all so much, and bye, chicas.